Welcome to Home of Math. Our topics factorization of algebraic expression. Question is x square plus 2 root 3x minus 24. Let's start. Look, here is x square and here is 24. So constant is 24. These 24 we need two number. Once we multiply, it will become 24. Again, once we plus, that time answer will be 2 root 3x. So this situation, 24 we can divide by 2, it will become 12. Again 2, it will become 6. Again 2, it will become 3. Interesting thing, here is a root 3. So we can write this 3 like root 3 times root 3. 2 root 3, it will become only 3. So here is 2 root 3. So in this case, if we write like this, 2 times 2, it will become 4. And from here 2 root 3 we can use 1 root 3 is here, so it will become 4 root 3. Look, 4 root 3 plus minus 2 root 3, it will become 2 root 3. In the meantime, once we multiply 4 root 3 and 2 root 3, also it will become 24. Why? Look, 4 into 2, it will become 8. Again root 3 times root 3, this root 3 become 3. So 8 times 3 means 24. So for this question we can write like this: x square plus 4 root 3x minus 2 root 3x minus 24. Right? Now we can take common, here is x, so it will become x plus 4 root 3, right? Again, if we in this term, if we take common minus 2 root 3, here is x, once minus and minus multiply, it will become plus, right? And here is 4 root 3. Why? Because 2 times 4 is 8, 3 root 3 and root 3 become only 3, so here is 24. Here is 24. Now very short thing, x plus 4 root 3, x plus 4 root 3, you can write here x plus 4 root 3 and balance is x minus 2 root 3. This is our answer. This is a very short math but very interesting math. It's not critical but it's not so easy, because maximum student become worried once they are seeing root 3 in question paper. So this is our answer. Next video we will also try to solve these kinds of math. Many practice, question will become very easy. Thank you very much being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.